Hello, today we're going to look at the LilyPad offline to Fishbowl program. First, I'm going to launch the application from the shortcut on my desktop. Next, I'm going to go into the Fishbowl Settings, and I'm going to enter the IP address and the port that the Fishbowl server is running on. Internal if I'm on the network, external IP if I'm off the network. The username and password that I log into Fishbowl with, and the sync days are how many days back we want to look for changes. After that, I'm going to test my Fishbowl connection to make sure I've set up my ODBC correctly. And the first thing it's going to do is tell me is that the integrated application has not been accepted. Now that we've accepted the integrated application, we have a successful test of Fishbowl. Now I'm going to go into Setup and First Sync. The first sync requires an internet connection, and this is going to load the LilyPad offline program with all of your customers, your tax rates, and your items. After the task is completed, you're now ready to build an order. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go find a customer, either from the drop-down, or we can start searching. In this case, I'll select and I'll create an order for Brett Queen. You see the bill to and ship to information comes from the customer module in Fishbowl. If there are any additional ship tos, I can select that. I can put in a custom sales order number. See the other information that comes from Fishbowl, I can put in a customer PO or a order note. And then I'm ready to start building my order. So I can search for the item down the list, or I can start typing on it. I can change it from a sale to a dropship credit return. I can change the quantity, the unit price. So in this case, if I want to change 25 to 30, I can add a line item note. And I can go and add additional items. Change my unit price. And now that I've had my couple items added, I can see the default tax that was pulled from the customer module in Fishbowl. I'm going to save the order, and that's going to save the order locally on your tablet. Now you'll see that the export to Fishbowl is starting to build in the queue. Again, right now we still have no internet connection. So in the view in the reports, I can now see the PDF invoice that was created. I can set my header in my config file, so it's showing the LilyPad applications, see all of the rest of my order. I can go ahead and print that from my tablet, and when that's done, I can close that and go on to building the next order. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So now I've gone ahead and built my order, and I've saved that successfully. Now you see the queue again is now up to 2 orders. When I go back into reports, I now see both of those right there, ready for me to print or save again. Now at the end of the day, when I have an internet connection again, I will run the export to Fishbowl, and the orders have now gone from the LilyPad offline program to your Fishbowl database. The next morning, when you're ready to use the program again, you would hit the Sync Data button on the bottom, and then you would go out and place more orders. And that is our LilyPad offline program. Thank you.